Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Crypto.com in Canada. Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a variety of financial services, including trading, payment solution, and DeFi products. It's based in Singapore and has a mobile app and web platform. So, to use this, first install the app from Play Store or App Store from your device, or you can also download app and just scan the QR code and you can download app from here. Then go you allows user to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is legal in Canada, so you can use it by download Crypto.com app, and that's it. That's how you can use Crypto.com in Canada.